So this is when comics or the DC universe just dies and stops?
I mean, like, the threat of that exists.
Oh,
this
doesn't actually happen.
No. No, DC doesn't die. Everyone on Earth doesn't die instead
That's false advertising.
Well,
everyone thinks it's the final night.
well,
That's
so
the
was Final
idea.
Crisis.
Yeah, it wasn't the Final Crisis at all.
That's true.
Final
I'm going to
Night...
sneeze. I didn't want you to get into a whole thing. Wait, it's subsiding. Okay, I think it's...
Is it gone?
It's gone.
Oh.
I think I'm okay. I felt
it's
it coming. It was building to a climax, and now it subsided. False alarm.
God. You should look at the light, see if it'll
Trigger it.
Oh,
trigger
yeah.
it, yeah.
Nope.
Should we just start over?
No. We're good. Where were we?
We were in
nowhere.
Mars and Kessel.